Okay guys, welcome to this week's Mamemeister 10-minute mashup. This is the first one this week and indeed only the second video this week. So anyway, this is Nightbreed on the ZX Spectrum. Now I think this was released by Ocean. I couldn't actually tell you and I don't really care, to be quite honest with you. Let's bar on, okay, right, blah 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 blah, spacebar, that must do something surely. Right, history, blah 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 blah, let's have a look at the history. To Nightbreed history. Prologue. Throughout history, man. We do apologise, we seem to be experiencing some technical difficulties. The Mamemeister channel will be back as soon as possible. And in the meantime, here is some music. I'm very sorry, we still seem to be experiencing some technical difficulties. We will be back as soon as possible.